Somali officials say a senior al-shabab official has defected from the group and surrendered to Somali government in the southwestern Gedo region. Officials say Adan Abdi Muhammad, known as Adan Obe, surrendered Tuesday near the main border town. Adan Obe surrendered with another al-Shabab official identified as Ford Adan Mahmoud, who is described as a station official. Obe held various positions with al-Shabab, including consultative council member and head of social affairs. Most recently, he worked for al-Shabab as head of logistics in the lower Juba region. According to Somali officials, Deputy Governor of Gedo region Muhammad Hussein Al-Qaeda said the town men have been in contact with the federal government officials who convicted them to defect. He said their defection is a setback to al-Shabab. Obe previously was a member of the Islamic Courts Union, which ruled South Central Somalia of 6 months in 2006.